Annapurna Studios has made one of the best voice artists. Ranveer gariki Sumant garu dubbing chepparu, and Jeeva gariki Rahul Ravindran garu dubbing chepparu. All actors have dubbed voices, given their voices for the heroes on the screen, and it's not an easy production. The quality that you maintain for Telugu, amazing, sir. We're looking forward for the film.
Thank you, Jansi. It is very important. అది డెఫినెట్గా హిందీలో షూట్ చేశారు. చాలాసార్లు డబ్బింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎవరో దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసేసి సమ్ బ్యాడ్ వాయిసెస్, బ్యాడ్ రైటింగ్ కమ్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ జస్ట్ డ్రైన్స్ ద ఫిలిం. సినిమాని కంప్లీట్గా పాడు చేసేస్తుంది. అది జరగకూడదని స్పెషల్ కేర్ వాజ్ టేకెన్ అండ్ శిబాషిష్ insisted, Kabir Khan insisted, and of course Vishnu also. So we all got together, and it was easy. And my only problem is nobody asked for my voice.
So me voice unte Big Boss voice la undali sir. Cinema ki narrator laga undali tappa character ki voice artist la undakodu.
So one of the reasons, Jansi, nenu cheppali, idi yuvataki ఏమిటి, the young generation needs to see this film. They need to, వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవ్వాలి వాట్ విక్టరీ మీన్స్. ఇప్పుడు గెలుస్తున్న మ్యాచ్లో ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఇండియన్ టీమ్స్ ఆర్ రైట్ దేర్, ఇండియన్ టీమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ రైట్ దేర్. కానీ అప్పుడు గెలుచుకున్నాం చూడు, అది మజా. అండ్ that emotion we will see in this film. And yes, and I'm waiting for tomorrow. Actually ఈ సినిమా వెళ్ళి ఆడియన్స్తో చూడాలి, నాట్ విత్ ద ప్రీమియర్ షో. I would love to watch it with the audience, but I'm watching it. I know it's going to be a great success. It's going to be a great year-ending success, this film. And all the best, Kabir, Shibashish, and Ranveer, and all to the team who's made this film. All the best to you guys.
Wonderful. And now I would ask our...
My questions to Ranveer Singh.
हेलो, हाय.
हाय सर. आपने कपिल देव का जिंदगी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट मैच के लिए 83 मैच बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए. इट चेंज द फेट ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट. व्हेन यू आर एंटर्ड टू कपिल देव्स रोल, व्हाट इज योर फियर एंड व्हाट इज योर कॉन्फिडेंट टू प्ले दिस रोल?
Well, Kabir sir sent me a message and he said, I want to meet you about a film. And we sat down and he said, I want to make the 83 film. I was like, wow, finally somebody's making a film on 83, because we know it's a great, glorious chapter in our nation's history, like you said, and our sporting history. And this man is a legend. In one of my first interviews, for some reason, I had somebody ask me in 2011, I debuted in 10. And in one of my first interviews, somebody asked me if you had to play a biopic, who would it be? I said, Kapil Dev. I don't know why, but it just came out, stumbled out of my mouth. I guess because maybe I saw skin color, height, maybe something similar, maybe I look like him. So, and you know, I'd like to play an iconic character if I'm doing a biographical role, so Kapil Dev. In 2011, cut to Kabir sir offers me Kapil Dev's role. I was thrilled to bits. I was like, wow, I get to play cricket. Because I'm an avid cricketer myself, so I love batting. And further to that, the most difficult part, sir, was the bowling. I really tried my level best. We were playing cricket for about 4 hours a day for a good 6-7 months. But what's very heartening to know is that the players themselves are appreciative of not just how the cricket has been showcased, but the fine detail. Each player says, like yesterday, we had a moment in between Hardy and Madan Lal, and it was because Matipa was astonished at how Hardy was able to get his action. He said, "You're doing my action better than me." So it was, and it's not just restricted to the 14 Indian players, the West Indians, the Zimbabweans. Like when you see the person who has played Vivian Richards, he's a spitting image of Vivian Richards. The way he walks, the way he plays his cricket. So that is the level of detailing, and the entire process to be playing cricket, being coached by Balwinder Sandhu, was a really amazing experience. I had an absolute blast shooting this film. As far as the character development goes, Kapil Paji called me to his house and I stayed there with him for 2 weeks, with him and his warm and wonderful family. they treated me like a son and gave me everything that I needed to develop this character. And today, when it's been realized, last night screening that experience, it'll be in my heart for the rest of my life. This is one great thing I've done in my life, being a part of this film.
Wonderful.
Hi Ranveer, I'm Neha from ABN.
Hi ma'am, finally, you worked it out with Vamshi Kaka.
I can get whatever I
Opa.
want. It's a very small thing.
Opa, even I can't get anything out of Vamshi.
He's a small guy, don't worry. My question is to you. First, you remove your specs. I want to see your eye-to-eye contact.
I have had a late night, ma'am. You'll have to pardon me.
We want to
It was
capture
a
your
very
full
joyous
face.
night, so we were partying till the sun came up. So that's why you'll have to excuse me.
Okay, where is Deepika ma'am, the producer?
She's gloating, basking in the glory.
Okay, the question is like, she played the role of Roma, the main wife of, Rahul Dev sir. I just wanted to know what was the coordination and the difference you find while playing that role, Well, on behalf of Deepika, if you can answer that. And your coordination about that, the family aspect of the movie when it comes.
This is something I actually whispered to Kabir sir in his ear while we were watching the film last night. So Kabir sir and I, like two excited children, were standing on the side and watching their faces while they were watching the movie for the first time. It was so lovely to see them react, to see them laugh, cry, clap, whistle, applaud. It is one of the most fulfilling 2 hours of my life. And as Romi ji was sitting right next to Kapil. And I was watching her as well, and in all those scenes, she was nodding and smiling and clapping. So I guess the real person actually felt all of it, and credit to Deepika and the craft that she has as an actor. I think there's one thing very similar between, a few things similar between Romi ji and Deepika is that they both have an inherent grace about them. It's very graceful and elegant in everything that they do, the way they speak, the way they carry themselves. So that similarity is very much there. But these are some of the factors. The more important thing is Deepika knows that dynamic of what it means to be a great sportsman's wife. How you support their endeavor, how you support them in life, how you empower them, how you are the wind beneath their wings. She's seen it in her own house between my mother-in-law Ujjwala and her father, world champion himself, Mr. Prakash Padukone, who was there at the screening last night. So she has seen that equation and that dynamic firsthand. So there could not be any more perfect casting than her. And I read it in a review. It's like it was kind of, and I told you this before I read this review. I thought it was a master stroke because there's immediate purchase when she walks onto screen, and I give her that first interaction between them. You're already in. You know, okay, this is Kapil and Romi because Deepika and I are married in real life, and this is our first film after marriage. So that immediate purchase really does the film. It really helps the narrative. You're in immediately.
So have you ended up playing cricket? Deepika is a badminton player and you both have tried playing cricket?
She's a terrible cricket player, but she's an awesome badminton player. I can't get past 5 with her in a game of 21 in badminton, much as I try. And I'm a terrible bowler. Sorry. I tried. But your action, only you can do, Paji. But I'm a decent batsman. I'm hoping somebody will pick me for the CCL next year.
Yeah, Taruna.
Yeah.
We would
Hi
love to.
Ranveer, this is Taruna from TV9.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So you had come here for Ram Leela then. That time we have seen this mesmerizing chemistry between you and Deepika.
It's mesmerizing, isn't it?
Very much. And now we see Deepika as your producer. तो एक वाइफ होने के नाते क्या है और प्रोड्यूसर होने के नाते क्या बदला?
In both roles, she is the boss, ma'am.
Yeah. So my question to Vishnu ji. So Mr. Vishnu, you said that 8 years back you tried convincing him. So 8 years back, who was that actor you thought would do it, and now it is Ranveer Singh who is doing it?
Nannu correct. Don't try to get me into trouble, but
No, it's
see,
okay.
చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎన్నో అనుకుంటాం, but the best thing that happened to
ఎవరెవరు
the film,
అంటున్నారు?
the best thing that
నాకే
happened to the
తెలిసి
film
అంటున్నారా?
is Ranveer. థాట్లో ఏముంది పని అవటం ముఖ్యం అండ్ రణ్వీర్ did a great job, so
No, of course, we all love him. He has done a great job. But then, who was the actor in mind?
I even wanted Akhil because he's a fantastic cricketer. If I would have made a Telugu film, Akhil would have been played Kapil.
Yeah. Sir,
So-
since you have seen Nagarjuna, sir, so we have seen this love for cricket. Akhil, we had been covering him for all the matches and everything. Now as an actor. So, did you ever feel that in '83 Akhil would have been a part of this since he loves cricket immensely? Did you try something that way?
No, I didn't think like that
Right,
at
so.
all. And I was very happy Ranveer was doing it, especially when I saw some photographs of his transformation. It's unbelievable. అసలు కళ్ళకి నిజంగా ఇది నిజంగానే రణ్వీరేనా అన్నట్టు ఇందాక చీకా అన్నట్టు ఇది రణ్వీరేనా అనిపించింది. అండ్ హిస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ మ్యాన్ బాయ్ దట్ వాస్ ఫెంటాస్టిక్.
Yeah.
Really.
Shrikant sir, we can't see you sit quietly like this. Actually, you're the show stealer here. You said, like, sir was your classmate and all. So, who was a good student? You or Nagarjuna, sir?
Yeah, we are classmates. That's true.
Kaun tha? Good student.
Who was a better student? I think I was a better student.
He was a better student.
Hello?
Any memories?
No, we didn't see. It's just that poor guy was staying in a hostel. And it's College of Engineering, Guindy, right across IIT. It is the second best engineering college, one of the best engineering colleges in India after the IIT rungs, okay? And this guy was a very quiet student. And obviously he got ragged a lot from the hostel guys, where those we guys were the day scholars were supporting him. Then he went out to America to finish his engineering. Then came back and you know what? Emi Aindi. That and all we have done. All of us have done.
No, maybe
Everybody, all of us. See, once you enter into college, you, me, Nag, Ranveer, Kabir, Kapil, anybody, all of us are the same, man. Come on, yeah. He's the kya.
I didn't go to the college, so it can't be the same.
I didn't want to say that.
I remember one thing when Shrikant used to bat, the whole of the college would be there around the field, and the balls would be flying top of us. I still remember, man, he was like lightning, and it was fantastic, Chika. And we played a match, we never got a batting chance because he finished the match.
Who?
I'll tell you about our college. There used to be one girl in our class. 40 boys and one girl. If you remember?
Correct. I don't want to go beyond that. Nagarjuna has answered the question. Next question on 83, please. There.
Hello.
Gentleman there.
Hello. Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I'm Raja Babu from Filmy Beat. This question for Kabir Khan and Ranveer Singh both. What are the bouncer movements in the shoot and scripting level? What are the bouncer movements in the shoot and scripting level?
Is your name really Raja Babu? Wow, I love your name, man. Raja Babu is one of my favorite Hindi movies of all time. His name is Raja Babu. Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Pak chik pak Raja Babu. He does a step also like Raja Babu. Sure? Okay, we'll hear from Kabir sir. Sir, what bouncer moments did you have?
Bouncer moments.
ये तो सर के ऊपर से गया.
You can no. I'll interpret bouncers differently. You can either let the bouncer hit your head, or you can hook it like Chika sir for a six. And I think that bouncer moment where we managed to use it and hit it for a six was the moment when we were shooting the scene where Kapil Dev is given the World Cup when he wins on the balcony of the Lords, and we were standing exactly down to the last inch at that spot where he stood 38 years ago. And we had, because there's video footage available of that moment, we had recreated it to the last detail, down to the tie color and the colors of the clothes and everybody. But we had not factored two things that happened. Both were bouncers. As I was about to start filming that scene and looked to my right and I saw Clive Lloyd, the captain of the West Indies team, suddenly casually stroll onto the balcony and come sit next to me. And I was like, for a moment, I couldn't breathe. And I said, hello, sir. And I said, sir, would you like to go closer to where we are filming? And he looked at me with a straight face and he said, do you want me to see this cup being given away for the second time? And then finally I was about to call action, and these two ladies come with a trolley with something covered with a velvet cloth, and they've got these white gloves on, and they push the trolley right next to me, and they unveil what is below the velvet cloth, and that was the real 1983 World Cup from the museum, and they just pick it up casually and they say, we want you to shoot with this. And I'm like, okay. And I hold that cup, and there's just a feel, the feel of that cup, and I'm stunned, so I just go and give it to Ranveer, and I say, action, and Ranveer enacts the scene, and at the moment I say, cut, everybody on that balcony broke down and started crying.
హలో సార్ ప్లీజ్ శక్తి 83 సినిమా తీసినప్పుడు 83లో జరిగినటువంటి దాని హోంవర్క్ కానీ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగున్నాయి, పోస్టర్స్ వీడియోస్. బట్ అక్కడ ఒరిజినల్గా అక్కడ ఏం జరిగిందో సినిమాలో చూపించారా? దేర్ ఈజ్ బిట్వీన్ అంటే దేర్ ఈజ్ పాలిటిక్స్ బిట్వీన్ ప్లేయర్స్ అనేది ఈ గేమ్ అయితే విన్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా బయటపడినాయి కొన్ని సంఘటనలు. దాన్ని మీరు ఏమైనా ఎలాబరేట్ చేశారా? యాజ్ టీస్గా తీసారా? సినిమా పరంగా ఏమైనా ఫ్రీ తీసుకున్నారా?
మురళి గారు ఎవరిని అడగాలి క్వశ్చన్?
తెలుగు చెప్పాగా మీరే
నేను ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తే ఎవరి నుంచి ఆన్సర్ కావాలి?
డైరెక్టర్.
Okay, Kabir ji, Murli ji is asking one tricky political question. You have shown 83 as a victorious story, but we have heard stories about players not being in terms and politics. There were certain rumors and gossips even after the victory. Have you touched any of them?
You cannot be honest to a story unless you show all the layers. And I mean, without giving spoilers, of course we have gone into, because our research meant that we read almost every newspaper article printed in the period when 1983 World Cup was being played, whether it's in London or whether it's in India. And yes, I know what you're referring to, the tensions between superstars of the team and, the dynamics that happen within a team. And yes, again, without giving spoilers, of course, we've touched on everything that changed the dynamic of that game.
Very honest.
Hello.
Neha, ఒక నిమిషం క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకుందాం ఫస్ట్. అమ్మా అడగండి.
Vishnu sir.
ఇక్కడ ఉంది మైక్.
This is on Deccan Chronicle. This idea was born several years ago. I know the metamorphosis that went into, bringing the film it made. But as a filmmaker, weren't you apprehensive that your visibility could be sidelined? Just asking at a personal level.
The people that are associated with the project made me so comfortable that I never felt left out. Either it's Kabir or Ranveer or Subhashis. They've been extremely sweet to me, and I felt I'm part of the family. I never felt left out. Last night,
You are part of the family.
No, I want to quote. Deepika was thanking me, saying, Vishnu, you're so generous enough to make us part of the film. So, antakana best compliment e untadi. Like, I can't thank God enough for making me part of this film, and we are all happy to give you a great product.
Yeah, wonderful.
Sir, this is Lakshmi Narayana from Studio and News Channel.
You have to sit down.
कपिल जी, आपसे एक प्रश्न है मेरा. ऑलरेडी इंडियन स्क्रीन पे धोनी का पिक्चर आया है क्रिकेटर के बारे में. आपको लगता है कि धोनी से पहले ये पिक्चर आना चाहिए?
धोनी से पहले पिक्चर आना चाहिए
जी.
नहीं, आपको टाइमिंग के बारे में
जो धोनी का पिक्चर रिलीज हुआ है ना सर, ऑलरेडी धोनी का पिक्चर रिलीज हुआ है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि धोनी से पहले, मतलब धोनी का पिक्चर जो रिलीज हुआ है उससे पहले 83 आना चाहिए?
कोई कंपटीशन थोड़ा है हमारा. There is no competition. I think some of the movie we may come after 20 years also, you will ask the same question. जब भी कोई अच्छा चीज आता है उसको एंजॉय करो.
शुक्रिया.
But Lakshminarayan garu manchi question adigaru. Aina he never wanted this film to be done nata.
On Kapil Dev, I should be qualified enough to answer the question because I'm the only player played along with him. There could have been so many movies made only on Kapil Dev, but Kapil Dev had insisted it will be only 83 World Cup with all the players who played along the World Cup with the manager who is from Hyderabad, Mr. P.R. Mansingh, for your information.
Yes.
That is the greatest heart of Kapil Dev, big heart of Kapil Dev. What do you say, Ranveer? I love it. Come here. What do you say next? The captain. That is why Kapil Dev is Kapil Dev. KDN is KDN.
Yes.
Kapil Dev Nikaj. That's it. KDN. मेरे पास एक्टिंग है, आप रोल देना चाहिए तेरे को। क्या रोल दे रहे हैं मेरे को, बोलो। हाँ? Dandanaka. If you give me a good deal, Dandanaka done. Dandanaka done. Take it. Done. Accept it.
Hello.
Yes,
What's your
once
good name? Huh?
Kamla.
Taruna.
Karuna.
Taruna. Taruna.
Taruna. Please, sir, Vishnu, take the Taruna's number. And Nagarjuna will be with me, no? Ranveer, Nagarjuna, Kabir, everybody, same team. Kapil Dev, mera bhai.
Taruna, he's doing acting for last 30 to 40 years. What are you talking about?
Do you believe him? Do you act? Do I think I don't act?
Is anybody better actor than him? That's what I said. He's
Sir,
the
one
best
question.
actor we 83 team had.
You said it, energy. That's what this man has got in the movie yesterday. Honestly, because we saw the movie for the first time, the energy that Ranveer Singh has brought in the movie, dear friends,
All right.
is simply outstanding and amazing. Thank you very much, Ranveer.
One last question. Chika garu, Jeeva garu మీ రోల్ ప్లే చేశారు. చూసి మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? యాక్టర్ జీవా has played your
చాలా బాగున్నారు నా
బా
చాలా బాగా యాక్ట్ చేశానా చాలా బాగున్నారు నా
సార్ మీరు
He did very well. What is it? What Telugu?
బాగా చేశారు.
Jiva acting, he came to me. Poor fellow Kabir brought him to my office. Chika, sir, this is Jiva, he's going to do your role. I only told Jiva this. Do that, Ramacha. Just go, do it. And he came to home, but I think Jiva has done a brilliant job, honestly. What we saw yesterday, he's done an excellent job. I should congratulate Jiva for an outstanding job of doing the role of Srikanth.
He made you cry, no? He made you cry. I saw that.
He was brilliant.
I saw.
He was brilliant.
Wonderful. So looking forward, we have to wind up because time is short. Yeah, we have to. There's a premiere show happening. Thank you so much, all of you. Looking forward for 83 in Telugu. Hit theatres tomorrow. That is
Thank you,
24th
ma'am.
of December. All the best.
Thank you all.
Thank you.